Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's dive into Evoto. It's a beautiful image on my screen by Kandice. So what we're using is the LSP Winter Kiss, and we're going to put a couple of manual edits in this one. I just wanted to show you how you can tweak these presets if needed. And you can watch the full video tutorial number 1 for exactly how to use these. This is just a kind of an add-on from when you have started using them. So we've applied the LSP Winter Farm preset to this one. So let's see there before and after. You see it's done some great skin editing and it's set the scene. But we still kind of need a little bit more contrast in this image, even in the original here. So I'm just going to come onto the basic section on your right hand side and let's just slide this contrast up. I'm going to put real-time color adjustments on so we can see what we're doing in real time. Let's just add some contrast in and perhaps bring the whites down a little bit there because they're a little bit bold, aren't they? And there we go. So turn real time off so we can see our results of our skin and anything else. I love this shot. It's just absolutely brilliant. Oh, one nice of my family on a Christmas card. So before and after. And then we can finish off with one of the snow overlays if you wanted to. These come with the presets, you just load them in. And there we go. Before image, after image, edited in Evoto. Gorgeous is another shot from the gallery here from the same mini sessions by Kandice. So again, I'm going to click Winter Farm. Let's add some snow and we're done. And you can just sync this across your entire gallery. So you can load 100 mini sessions in, click, sync, and you're done. It's literally done in the time it takes to like make a coffee and your gallery's done. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you, Kandice, so much for sending these in. These are using the LSP Winter Kiss editing preset section for Evoto. You can grab these on the LSP Actions website. Loads of options, loads of presets in there. And please do watch the other videos to see how these work. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.